Good day everyone, I am Pamela Kalimag from DHML Gami Batch. I will be talking about the SWOT analysis of Baguio Center Mall. It is an overview of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of Baguio Center Mall. Baguio Center Mall is a mid-sized shopping complex located in the heart of Baguio City. It serves as a commercial hub offering a variety of retail outlets, dining establishments, and entertainment facilities, and essential services. Positioned as an affordable alternative to larger malls like SM City Baguio, it attracts both local shoppers and tourists. The mall plays a crucial role in the city's economy, catering to small businesses and providing a diverse shopping experience. And to the research and background information, the company website and reports. Baguio Center Mall does not have an official website or publicly available annual reports. Most of its business information comes from local sources, mall tenants, and social media updates. For the news articles and industry reports on Baguio Center Mall focus on its role as a central shopping hub and its competition with larger retail establishments. News coverage often highlights mall events, promotional activities, and challenges related to parking, congestion, and infrastructure. Let's go through the customer reviews and social media presence. Customer appreciates the affordable shopping options of variety of local businesses. Complaints often center on parking difficulties, crowded hallways, and older facilities. The mall maintains an active presence on Facebook, where it promotes sales events and tenant businesses. And now let's talk about the customer ratings and feedbacks. The feedbacks, they have positive and negative feedbacks. Two of the positive feedbacks is the variety of shops and affordability. Customers appreciate the diverse range of products and services, including clothing, shoes, appliances, and pet supplies. Central location near transport hubs. The mall's strategic position near the public market and transport terminals makes it a convenient shopping destination for many. As for the negative feedbacks, the aging infrastructure. Some visitors feel that the mall has a rundown appearance despite efforts in maintaining it. Another negative feedback is the navigation challenges. Customers have reported difficulties in navigating the mall due to the concentration of stairs on one side and limited accessibility features. For the customer ratings, according to Google reviews, it is rated as 3.8 stars out of 5 stars from approximately 2,100 reviews. According to TripAdvisor, and it is mixed reviews from travelers. And now let's talk about your competitor analysis. SM City Baguio, the mall's biggest competitor, offering a more modern shopping experience with international brands, larger parking space, and entertainment options. Next is the Portavaga Mall, a smaller but strategically located shopping center. Next, the public market, an alternative for budget-conscious shoppers. Now let's go through our main topics, which is the SWOT analysis of Baguio Center Mall. Let's talk about their strengths. One of their strengths is the strategic location. Situated in the city center, making it accessible for residents and visitors. And affordable retail spaces, lower rental costs attract small and mid-sized businesses. Next strength is the diverse tenant mix, a combination of retail shops, food stalls, and service-oriented businesses. And there's another strength is the familiarity with locals, a well-established presence in Baguio's commercial scene. If they have strengths, they also have weaknesses. Which one of these are the limited parking space? A common issue raised by customers, it has really very limited parking space. Another is the aging infrastructure. Facilities and amenities are not as modern as those in newer malls. Another weakness is the brand competition. It struggles to attract high-end and international brands. And security concerns, reports of pickpocketing and petty crimes in surrounding areas. Of course, they also have opportunities. Which one of these is the tourism boom? Baguio's status as a top tourist destination increases customer traffic. Another opportunity is the digital transformation, implementing online promotions and integrating e-commerce options. As we have said a while ago, Baguio Center Mall does not have their own website, but is active slightly in Facebooks. Another opportunity is the renovation and expansion, upgrading facilities to enhance a shopping experience. Local business growth, or the partnering with local entrepreneurs to introduce unique products and services. And just like the other businesses, they also have threats. First threat is the economic uncertainty. Fluctuations in the economy may impact tenant businesses. Also, competition with larger malls like SM City Baguio and other shopping centers draw away customers, as some customers want their more modern shopping malls. The traffic congestion. Heavy traffic in downtown Baguio affects accessibility. The environmental regulations. The stricter policies on commercial expansions may limit growth. And for the summary, Baguio Center Mall is a well-known commercial space with a strong foothold in the local market. While it benefits from affordability and accessibility, challenges such as infrastructure limitations and increasing competition threaten its long-term success. To maintain its relevance, the mall should invest in renovations, improve security measures, enhance digital presence, and explore partnerships with local businesses. Capitalizing on Baguio's tourism industry and addressing the customer concerns will be the key to sustaining its position in the market. Again, I'm Famela Kalimag from the DHM Algami batch. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something about the SWOT analysis of Baguio Center Mall. Thank you.